For today's lesson, I'm going to talk about two different time signatures, the 6/8 and 3/4. And in both of them, they have the same amount of beats, but I'm going to show you what makes them different. And I've got some fun patterns that we're going to play on the drum set, combining the two. Just a lot of fun. Okay, so let's first look at the time signature of 3/4. The top number in a time signature tells you what your count's going to go up to. And the bottom number that everybody gets confused about tells you what note has the value of one beat. So in 3/4 time, if I counted eighth notes, it would be this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. Now in 6/8 time, I've got 6 beats in the measure, and the eighth note receives one count. So that would be this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so you notice in both time signatures they have the same amount of hits, which would be 6. So what makes the difference between 3/4 and 6/8 are the placement of the accents. So if you look at 3/4, I'm going to accent on 1, 2, and 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 3. Now in 6/8 time, I'm going to accent on 1 and 4. So only 2 accents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's the basic difference, is the placement of the accents. So a basic 3/4 beat would be, I'm going to hit the bass on 1, snare on 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3. Now in 6/8, I'm going to put the bass on 1, snare on 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, I could put that on the cymbal, and what I like to do when I use 3/4 is put my left foot on the counts of 2 and 3. That would be 1, 2, 3. When I do the 6/8, I like to put my left foot on the even numbers of 2, 4, and 6. Okay, then I can expand upon it on the 3/4. I'm going to do quarter notes on the cymbal, and I'm going to throw in some eighth notes on the snare. I'll do it slow for you first. I'm still going to be doing the hi-hat on 2 and 3. 1. A little faster. Okay, on the 6/8, I'm going to do eighth notes in the 6/8 time. Remember, 16th notes on this are kind of like eighth notes. Let me do it with just the hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, with the feet. 1, 2, 3. So what I'm going to do is, so I have the same amount of cymbal hits. When I do the 3/4, I'm going to do that measure 4 times, and on the 6/8, I'm going to do it twice. And then I can throw some tom hits in on the 3/4. I came up with this pattern. And then on the 6/8, I'm throwing in a paradiddle-diddle. That would sound like this. together. Okay, expanding upon the two different time signatures, I'm going to throw in, I'm going to use some triplets. So on the 3/4, I came up with two measures, and they sound like this. Do that faster. Okay, on the 6/8, I came up with this, and I'll do it slow. Do that faster. Okay, so if I combine them, I'm going to do the 3/4 measure. I'm going to do those two measures twice, and I'll do the 6/8 measure twice. Faster. Okay, and then I came up with a triplet break using toms. The 3/4 time signature would sound like this, and let me do just the hands. One, da, 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 with my feet. Okay, and then I came up with this on the 6/8. Let me do it without the feet. Faster. With the feet. So if I put them together. Okay, so now I'm going to take both the time signatures, the 3/4 and the 6/8, and give it like a swing feel on the cymbal. Let me go over the 3/4 pattern first, and it's two different measures. And I'll do it with everything. I'll just go slow. 1. Okay, so remember on all the 3/4 patterns, my feet, bass is going to be on 1, hi-hat's going to be on 2 and 3. A little faster. Okay, so in the 6/8, the bass is going to be on 1, the hi-hat's going to be on 2, 4, and 6. A little faster. Okay, so let me put them together. Okay, so what's fun to do then is you just put all the eighth note triplets together.